Today we're going to be reading a book called Bouncing Balls by Cordelia S. Finn. Let's get started. A little, what do you think we're talking about here? Maybe it's a little kid. Maybe it's a little ball. Let's look under here at our beginning sound. Our beginning sound is b, b. What do you think it was? Could it be k, k, kid? No, kid doesn't start with b, b. Can it be ball? Yes, ball starts with b, b. Ball. A little ball can, what can it do? Come up with an idea. Can it bounce? Yes, it can. It bounces on the, what are these called? Could it be a paddle? Let's check the beginning sound. Does paddle work with our beginning sound? Does paddle start with P, p, p? It does. Paddle. It bounces on the paddle. A big, what could this be? It starts with b, b. What could it be talking about that starts with b, b? Ball. A big ball can bounce. It bounces on the, what could it be? Maybe grass? Would that make sense? Is it bouncing on the grass? Yes, that would make sense in the picture. Let's check to see if it makes sense here in the words. Our word starts with the letter G. It makes the sound g, g. Does grass start with g? Yes, it does. It can be grass. A fuzzy, what are we talking about here? It starts with a B. B, b. You're right, it's ball. A fuzzy ball can bounce. It bounces on the, what's it bouncing on? Maybe the floor? Maybe the ground? What do you think? Let's check our word to see. Our word starts with the letter G. G, g. Does floor work? Does floor start with the letter G? G, g. No, floor starts with F. It has to be g, g, ground. A hard, what could it be? It starts with the letter B. B, b. You're right. The word is ball. A hard ball can bounce. It bounces on the, maybe this is the ground. Maybe it's brown. What could it also be that's brown that's on the ground? Maybe it's the dirt. What do we think? Ground or dirt? Let's check our word. Oh my goodness, it starts with a D. D, d. Does ground start with D? No, ground starts with G. It has to be d, d, dirt. A softball can bounce. It bounces in the, what do we think? What is it bouncing in the? Could it be air? Could it be square? Let's check. What's our beginning sound. S. Which one says S? Exactly, square. Nice job. Oh, I just noticed there's an S at the end. Squares. A light ball can bounce. It bounces on maybe on the table, maybe on the game. Let's check our word to see. It starts with the letter T. T, t. Did game start with the letter T? T, t. No, game started with G, G, G. It must be table. T, t. Table starts with T. A heavy ball can bounce. It bounces on maybe it's the court. Maybe it's the floor. I'm not sure from the picture. I have to look back to my word. It starts with the letter F. It must be floor because floor starts with the letter F. And it bounces into the net. Swish. The end.